Time to drive a couple 100 miles to Ohio for power tour. Oh, I'm going to Vic's house first in Functional History, so we'll do that. Hotel, power tour. Well, I made it 42 miles and the alternator just started to exit the chat, so I'm at the second O'Reilly's I went to, and I'm in Flat Rock, and I will be changing it out. I never made it out of the state. Power tour. That wasn't all that bad. Not great, but not bad. Alternator's in. I'm going to turn the corner and get the hell back on the road. Everything seemed to be going great as I was going down into Ohio, and then about 40 miles from Vic's house, the alternator took a giant crap again, and every possible freaking check engine light came up, and we'll pick it up from there because it's time to change the alternator again at Vic's house. There's alternator number 2. See how long this one lasts. Well, having replaced the alternator, let's see what happens. What it needs to be, so I've got to figure out what's going on, but at least it's back to normal. Well, normal-ish. Well, I find myself in a small town in Ohio fixing the car in an O'Reilly again because the coil now seems okay. Be back to you in a minute. Now the coil seems fine. I have the parts. I'm gonna go to power tour, I guess. See what happens. So quick status update. Did not magically fix itself. I'm back on the road. Made it about 5-10 miles and it started again. I've got the parts. I'm just gonna keep going until it's a real pain or until I get closer to the power tour event. So, well, I made it to power tour. It's about 10:30, and see the car is acting like the coil's cooked. So I'm gonna try to wait and change that once I'm in the event. See how it goes. It's hot. I'm gonna try to cool down a bit, try to cool down myself. So, see you inside. Let's take a quick trip and see who's displaying the parts. Back of the track towards the end. Some cool little barns up by the shutdown area of the track and turnaround lane. Booth where you get slipped from the backside by that first tree. Got the rolling dyno here. freaking childproof lock-off. New coil pack going in. Well, it's time to go find the trash. That coil pack solves some of the issue, but not all of it. Tell you whatever else cool I can find, and I'm gonna go sit down in the car. Ran into Chris from Busted Rail this morning when I ran into Adam from Mob Steel Wheels. Didn't film either of that. I couldn't find Lucor, couldn't find Buff if he was here, Irish Outlaws, or anybody else, but I did get the chance to meet Dylan McCool. Oh, sorry, it's hot. And Kevin and Mook from Junkyard Dig, so it's a very good day. Just talked to the owner. It's a 69 F-250. He drove down from Maine. Very cool truck. Made as far as Speedway near Upper Sandusky after stopping the meeting. Not sure what the car is doing. It's acting like it's misfiring and running on 4 cylinders. There's not much more I can do to it on the side of the road, so I'm gonna drive it for as long as it'll take it. Stop, take a break for it, take a break for me, and just keep going. I can't do much more to it on the side of the road, so I'm just gonna keep going. Get as far as I can, hopefully home, and then I'll assess the damage when I get there, and maybe something simple. Not real sure. Got some kind of a little electrical gremlin, and it's definitely running hot. It's not overheating. I'm afraid it's running so hot it's fouling everything up, but we'll see. That's just a theory at this point, and I'm extremely tired. Dry the car out and give it a chance to take a breath and get back on the road. Car's all dried out. I'm mostly dried out. About an hour from home. So I'll see when I get home. Well, it's the next day. I got home late last night. It's time to start seeing what's going on with the car. For the diagnosis and teardown, that's going to be for another episode. I'm going to end this video here. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I'll do a full diagnostic teardown on this, and hopefully not a full teardown. We'll see in the future. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I think I found every bug on the way home after the rainstorm last night in Michigan. See you next time.